Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mercedes door light. This is a simple upgrade that can be completed in about 5 to 10 minutes per door. You will only need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Having your new lights ready will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started with preparing your vehicle for this simple modification. Now, let's remove the existing door light. Using your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, gently insert it into the gap between the light and the door panel. Apply slight pressure to pry the light assembly out. Once it's loose, locate the electrical connector and press the small tab to release it, then pull the wire away. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. With the old light removed, it's time to install your new one. First, connect the electrical wire to the new door light assembly. Make sure the connection is firm. Briefly test the light to confirm it illuminates correctly. Then, carefully align the new light with the opening in the bottom of the door panel, preparing it for insertion. Almost done, gently push the new door light assembly into the opening until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely in place. Double-check that the light is flush with the door panel and does not wobble. Finally, open and close your Mercedes door to ensure the new light activates and deactivates as expected. Enjoy your upgraded door lights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.